Madanas, I don't soon I don't hear from you from nothing from morning. But me just stop by here for big up, let's up on a nice clean self. Today is our anniversary. Yeah, the 26th of January. My husband get married. We know each other for almost 20 years. And we're together 18 years. But we're really officially married 14 years. Damn, time flies. Boy, Madanas, I get old, you know? Anyways, I just stop by for big on up and just say, enough love, big up on a nice clean self. Happy anniversary to me and my husband. Busy. Me no post nothing from morning really, cause me I try to get some things done. I was a little caught up, but we're about to go out now for date night. Me ready. Nobody's here to take a photo with me. I'll be getting ready. So when him get ready, I guess I'm gonna ask him to take a photo because nobody in the day here at home for take a photo with both of us. So I guess we have to take individually. Everybody gone. So we about to go. He's still getting ready. I'm the kind of person you see, if me know I have an appointment, I am going to be there. Me not late. Well, I'll be not late still, but me get dressed early. So let me show you what me look like. Very simple. Very simple. So this is my dress. I wanted to I was going to wear a green dress, but I changed my mind. I wanted to wear a boots because the boots would look very nice with this outfit, and I have a color boots, you know, that I wanted to wear. I have more than this color boots I was gonna wear because I have this color. I don't have this color boots, and I have this color boots. So I was gonna go with this color, but I said, you know, it's gonna be too much. And then to get me warm, this is my coat. Yeah, so take my picture. You take my picture, guys. Take my picture. See me a pose soon. Take my picture now. See me pose, see you. Take my picture. Take my picture now. Yeah. I have a jacket because I'm gonna get hot. I'm not fully ready yet, so maybe I need to put on one necklace. I don't want to look too crowded because of this, but you see why I don't like wig? My head big, and the wig make me look bigger. Me not that. I just put a little MAC foundation and a little MAC powder. I never go put on none. Me not girly like that. Because I grew up like one little tomboy. So you see, oh, you know, some people would be very girly. I am not. I grew up like a little tomboy. So, I'm not that girly. But I have my little MAC powder and my little MAC foundation. And when I get dressed, I just put a little on my face. Kind of hide up the little dark spot them I have. But I barely have any. But it kind of blend my skin in a little. I just stop by because I'm bored. I wait for hubby. I'm going to see if I find a picture with me and him on pose. So, it's been a while I know hubby, right? Wow. Yeah. I'll show you guys a little clippings of where we go. I'm hungry. I just had a bowl of porridge this morning. And so, you know, I go because I'm a favorite kind of food that I'm gonna eat right now. One of my favorite kind of food. Let's not say my favorite because Jamaican food is the favorite. It's my favorite. But second, yeah, but I gotta eat, you know. And I mean Jamaican cook that kind of food too, but not so much. That's not our culture. But guys, we just stop by as myself a big up, enough love, enough respect. I'm there chill and want somebody to take my picture. When I want to come take my picture for me, I want to take a full picture. And it'll get dark up outside. I don't want to go outside go take one. By the time Obi come down, time for leave, it'll get dark. You remember them time last them time they come back now when 9 o'clock at night. I like them time then. Anyway guys, no love, no respect, I'm gone. I'm bored. Bye. Madonna's. Big up on a nice clean self. No respect here.